to 11?
1 through 9.
On all of them? All right. I can do it.
Let's do them all.
All right, you got it. That's all I signed you, right?
Yeah. I think it was. That's why I meant to ask. Yeah, we could do one, didn't
All right, so they have 10, 10, 1, 2, 2, 6, 9, and there was 40 people, 40 total in study. All right, so this has to do with cats, birds, dogs on a Venn diagram, right? Is that showing up? Can't see it. All right, so problem number 1, probability they like birds. Okay, so we have to include all of the overlaps. So we have 1 and 10, that's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you have 15 out of the 40 in the study. And no, you do not need to reduce the fractions. Problem number 2, probability they don't like cats. Okay, so we can't deal with any of the overlaps. So you look at the 9 for the dogs, and you look at the 10, or wait, dogs, the 9 and the 1. So birds is 1, dogs is 9. Any of the overlap would mean they like those. So 9 and 1 is 10. Get 10 out of 40. Again, do not need to reduce. There's no reason to. Problem 3, probability they like cats and dogs. Okay, so the only people that don't like cats and dogs is that one person who does not like, or just like birds. Okay? Or cats and dogs. Cats and dogs. So let's see. We have this one here, these 10 here, and these 2 here. The 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's 13 people that are in that bird category that also don't like cats and dogs. We can also look at it saying, okay, we know we have the 10 for the cats. We have the overlap in the very middle, the 6. And wait, probability cats. Oh, I'm sorry. I made this mistake. They like cats and dogs. So you look at the 6 and the 2. So this is the cats and dogs category overlap. So those 6 plus the 2 that like all 3. So you're going to include those, and then you're out of 40. So 8 out of 40.
So even though they don't like cats and dogs?
Do what? What do you mean they don't like cats and dogs? You want cats and dogs. It means both of them.
Okay.
So you have to include the overlap. Number 4, probability the student likes cats or dogs. Okay? So the cat person is a 10. They like both. You include the people in the middle. You include the 9 that are dogs. And let's see. Hang on, I gotta see if I can do this right. All right, so cats or dogs. So you have here, that's a cat fan, cat fan, cat fan, cat fan. So it's all of those numbers that we have to add up. So 10 plus 10, 20, 28, 29, 30, 39 out of 40. So it'd be 39 out of 40 like cats and dogs. And we're just going over the assignment, just going over all the problems per Ethan's request. The probability is student likes all 3 animals. Okay,
that's just the very center intersection of them all, so it's 2 out of 40. You guys hear high pitch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Worry, but it's not gonna be like-
Yeah, good. Good. The probability the person does not like either birds or dogs. So not birds or dogs. Okay? So it's one or the other. It could be both. So birds and dogs. So what you're going to do is you're just looking at these 10 people that like just cats. So 10 out of 40. And then number 7. What is the probability? Is that all I gave, or did I give all of them? I gave up through 9?
Yeah, this is mine.
Okay, thanks. So likes cats such that they like dogs. Okay, how many people like dogs? Well, you have to add the 9, the 6, the 2, and the 2 together. So that's 15, that's 19, that's my denominator, it's 19. And then they like cats such that they like dogs. So you have to have the overlap. So you have the 6 and the 2. So there's 8 out of 19 in that case. And then number 8. The probability they like birds such that they don't like cats. Birds. If I could spell birds, it's not beards, not cats. Okay, so we don't want to have any overlap of cats. So this 1 and this 2 is going to be our numerator. So that's, they like birds. Okay. And then how many people are you talking about that they like birds but not cats? So we have to think about, we have the 10, 10, that's 28. 28 subtract 40 is 12. So you have 3 and 12. And then let's not worry about number 9. Okay, so this is my plan. My plan. Being that you're here, you're getting the points for this because I just did every problem. Hopefully you copied it down. So you got that. Friday we will finish the probability. Monday we have a small quiz. Trust me, you'll like it. It's easy. Yes, you can use the note card. We'll do this. Cards. Okay. Come Tuesday, you need the book. You'll need the second semester book. It's 5 doll hairs. If you don't have the 5 doll hairs, go over to Bare Necessity or go to your counselor. Say, hey, I don't have money to buy my book. They give you a coupon. So that's what we're going to start. Now, I need to warn you that chapter 5, our next chapter, chapter 5 it's tougher. If you trust me on it, I can get you through it. I will not bury anybody on a grade, but you really do need to participate in making sure you have attempted the homework. You're actively asking questions. It's tougher. It's the hardest chapter of the whole year. And I'm not saying that because I'm trying to scare anybody out of the class. I'm just saying I don't want you to stress about it. If you do kind of cruddy, like let's say on Monday's quiz on this probability, you do really well, and you're like, oh, sweet, I'm sitting at a 90%, and then all of a sudden your grade drops into the 70% range because you did kind of cruddy with chapter 5 stuff. Trust me, chapter 6, chapter 7, chapter 8 will improve your grade back up. So don't panic. Okay? Deal? Okay? And I think it's fair just to warn you. I'm not trying to scare you. It's one of those chapters where it deals with confidence intervals. We use inverse norm for a lot of things, but it actually is kind of a valid thing because a lot of times you'll see, hey, this is, we can say that 40% of our people want to vote for this particular candidate, and we can say it with 90% confidence. It's dealing with that kind of stuff. How do you create a confidence interval based on that? So just trust me. I will get you through it. Don't panic. Continue to ask questions as we start going in through chapter 5, but you do need to get your book by Tuesday next week, okay? Deal? Everyone knows where to get it? You're like, what's this bare necessities? So that's all I have. What time are we out of here? We're out of here at 29, so we got giving you 9 minutes to chill. I don't have an assignment for you tonight. I would have had an assignment for you tonight, but you just can't leave.